Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have behind me here my 2017 GMC Sierra 1500, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace the marker light on the tow mirrors. Now this is for your 2014 to 2018 1500s all the way up through the 3500, and now even those 4500 and 5500 trucks that we're seeing on the roads. Those model years are a little different, but right now, most of you guys are probably going to have those 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras that we all know and love. Now, this is not a complicated fix, but it does take a little finesse and can get a little confusing. But that's why we're making this video here for you. You have to remove this entire marker light here. Long gone are the days of just replacing a light bulb for 25 cents. No, you have to replace this entire piece, and that runs from GM about $150. That's ridiculous. So I bought an aftermarket one, and I'm gonna have that linked right down here in the description below. If you need one, go ahead and check it out. We're gonna get into this in a second, but if you guys liked the video, if you enjoyed it, if you learned something, hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierras. First thing we're gonna do is telescope the mirror. Basically, that's just pulling it out. Then we're going to remove the glass and then the outer housing here to get to the inner workings. And we have to get to the inner workings because this marker light is screwed in. Let me show you how that's done. This is not going to be easy, but you have to do this in order to get to the screws that hold everything in place. We're going to push down here and we're going to pull out. Okay. Now there are screws behind here, and if you have a true OEM, original manufacturer mirror, you're going to have this kind of stuff in place here. The aftermarkets do not come like this. They have a little bit of a chintzy mechanism that holds this all in place. Okay, we have to remove these wires. We're going to pull this one out as well and then pop it off. Next, we're going to remove 4 screws. One is here, 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 and here with our T10 Torx bit. Now, I did make a mistake. There is 5 of these. They're located each corner here, and also one more right here. Be careful as you remove the housing because this lamp here is connected to a wire in the back. We have to disconnect that slowly, and then this comes off. Now that we have this free and clear, you guys can see that we have a screw here and here. Removing that will free up the marker light. Now with those removed, we're going ahead and take this out. But don't forget to unplug it first. Okay. That can be a little tricky, but the technique is to pull this out a little bit. There it is. It's out. Time to replace it. Just slide that marker light in place. And all we're going to do is the steps that we had just taken. We're just going to reverse them. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you stuck around this long, I know you enjoyed it. So don't forget to hit that like button for me. And if you need this part, don't forget, it's all linked right down there in the description below. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel so you stay up to date with all the videos we have about the 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverados that we all know and love. And I'll catch you in the next one.